Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to copy and paste something in Google Sheets, only to realize all the colors, fonts, and other formatting came along for the ride, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I'm showing you exactly how to copy and paste just the values so you can move your numbers or text wherever you need without messing up your formatting. By the end of this video, you'll know a powerful shortcut that saves tons of time and headaches in Google Sheets. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is select the data you want to copy. This could be a single cell, a whole column, or even a big block of cells. Just click and drag your mouse so everything is highlighted. Maybe you've got a list of sales numbers you want to move, or perhaps a batch of formulas you want to lock in their current state. Once you've got everything you need selected, you're going to copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, that would be Command+C. You'll notice a little blue border pop up around what you've selected. That's just Google Sheets' way of saying, yep, I've memorized what you want to copy. Now here where most people slip up. Usually you'd go to where you want to paste your data and just hit Ctrl+V or Command+V. That does work, but it brings all the formatting baggage with it, the fonts, the cell colors, the borders, even any conditional formatting lurking in the background. Sometimes you only care about the actual numbers, words, or results, because you want to paste clean data, maybe into someone else's spreadsheet, or you're trying to standardize things without any confusing extras. So instead, we're going to use a slightly different shortcut. Go to the cell where you want your new values to appear, whether that's on the same sheet or somewhere totally different. This time, press Ctrl+Shift+V again. Mac users, swap that for Command+Shift+V. What this special shortcut does is paste only the raw values from your original selection. No formatting, no formulas, just the plain result, as if you were copying it out and typing it straight in. This is super useful if you've got columns full of formulas and you want to freeze the results before making changes, or if you're submitting data to a teammate who has their own style preferences. And don't worry if it feels a bit tricky the first time. After you've tried this once or twice, it quickly becomes second nature, and you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. That's seriously all there is to it. Just remember, Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+Shift+V to paste values only. You'll find this shortcut in all kinds of situations, and it can really save you from hours of fixing messy spreadsheets. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tip helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's anything else you want to learn in Google Sheets. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. See you next time.